Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to a brand new episode of the 360 Quick House. Once again, I welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Suresh into the show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hey everybody, hope you're all doing good.
It's match 27. It is between Mumbai Indians versus Delhi Capitals. It is Rohit Sharma taking on Shreyas Iyer. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's game. Starting with Surya Kumar Yadav. Gautam, your take on Surya Kumar Yadav?
I thought Surya Kumar Yadav played really well the other day against Rajasthan. 49 ball 74 was brilliant with his cheeky shots. He played all around the ground. He's a 360-degree player. We've seen that before as well. He's been a consistent performer in the domestic circuit, but hasn't had the kind of impact that he's capable of in the IPL. So it'll be important for him to keep contributing like he did against Rajasthan, because he's talented, he's capable, and he's shown us that he's got a wide range of shots with him, and he's a game changer. So Mumbai will be expecting that he can keep up this performance and keep delivering for them.
Next, we have Shimron Hetmyer. Siddharth, your take on Shimron Hetmyer?
I've gone with Hetmyer. He's got that power in him. We have seen only a small bit of him in IPL, if I'm being honest. He played for RCB last season. He didn't have a great season, but towards the end, we saw what he could really do. In the last game, we saw that Hetmyer, which we all wanted to see from the beginning. It feels like he's found his form. He played some good shots. Delhi were in some trouble, I would say. They lost early wickets. Hetmyer came in. He scored some quick runs, 45 odd from 20 odd balls, which was quick. And we all know what he can do. We have seen the current generation of West Indies players, Hetmyer, Pooran. They are one of the best that they have produced in the recent years. And that's why I've gone with Hetmyer.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and that is between Marcus Stoinis and Boom Boom Bumrah. Siddharth, your take on this?
Yeah, well, we have seen what Stoinis has done this year. He's been absolutely destructive with the bat. I mean, he's one of the most valuable players, I would say. I mean, what an addition he has been to the Delhi squad. Just that accelerator they need during the finishing overs. He's been brilliant. And it's not like he's not timing the ball as such, it's just power hitting. No, he's timing some of them, he's placing it beautifully, and he's been decent with the ball as well. And on the other hand, Bumrah, he started off on a quiet note, but now he's getting back to his best form. He's been bowling amazingly. That's why I've gone with Stoinis versus Bumrah. If Bumrah can dish out his Yorkers, I think Stoinis can be in trouble. And today's match, I think it's just amazing. So many battles to watch out for actually. You can have Iyer versus Bumrah and so many others. So it's an exciting contest.
Okay. Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for, and that is between the big man Kieron Pollard taking on Kagiso Rabada. Gautam, your take on this?
Well, this is one battle that you don't want to miss. The big-hitting Pollard versus one of the world's best, Kagiso Rabada. It'll be interesting to see how these two face each other, in the death especially, because we've seen the kind of impact Pollard has had in that 16 to 20 overs. He has one of the best strike rates in that phase, and Rabada, the purple cap holder currently, I think Pollard will have his task cut out today because he's facing Rabada. It'll not be easy to hit him for sixes and fours. So, but we all know Pollard, you miss your length, you miss your line, you're going the distance, that's for sure, when Pollard is batting. So yes, fireworks can be expected for sure, and as I said, it's one of the battles that you don't want to miss.
Here we have the point table. Today, the table toppers will be playing Delhi versus Mumbai. It's gonna be a very interesting match. And finally, it's time to make prediction. Gautam, your prediction for tonight's game?
Yeah, well, I'm backing MI to win tonight. I think Delhi, they are yet to be tested while chasing. I feel they've defended that, the targets well. But if Delhi is asked to chase, it'll be interesting to see how they go about it. And Mumbai, we all know the quality that the side has. Just a complete side. So I'm backing Mumbai.
Siddharth, your prediction for tonight's game?
Yeah, well, I would love to go against Gautam's prediction, but no, I'm sticking with Mumbai as well. They just look, I mean, they might have lost more games than Delhi, but they still look like the better squad to me. Mumbai, we have always seen they always have a very strong squad. We have seen them lose games in the starting and come back. It's a very strong squad. Their core is very strong. They have a nice set of coaches, and they have been performing well as well this season. Even if Rohit Sharma hasn't performed, others have stepped up. So I'm going with Mumbai.
Yesterday's evening match, both of yours prediction were right. What a game we witnessed. KKR, what a comeback it was. Congratulations to both of you. And in the night game, Gautam's prediction was right. RCB were victorious. And now it is 15-11 at the moment. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it for today. Bye.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon,
Thank you, guys. Yes, please stay tuned. We have more interesting matches coming up. 1 versus 2, 3 versus 4 tomorrow. We're getting to the business class of the tournament, so please stay tuned.